The State Court of Appeals has overturned a Kent County child rape case, leaving prosecutors with a tough decision. Appeal the ruling, dismiss the case altogether, or retry it and ask a young girl to take the stand again.
Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker has this story.
Brian and Sue, a three-judge Court of Appeals panel ruled that a mistake by Kent County Circuit Judge Joseph Rossi led to an unfair trial for the accused child rapist. The mistake, the appeals court ruled, came after an 11-year-old girl testified that her mom's fiancé, Leonard Hudson III, had sexually assaulted her for years at their home in Plainfield Township, while her mom was either outside, napping, or out of town. The testimony was so gut-wrenching that the judge turned to the jury during the trial and offered counseling.
They said, hey, if you based on this testimony, if you need counseling, we can provide it to you. And I think that, even the Court of Appeals decision, if you read it, he said it was with good intention.
After a 4-day trial over the objections of the defense attorney, the Kent County Circuit Court jury convicted Hudson of sex crimes, including 3 counts of first-degree CSC. The judge sentenced him in January 2023 to 25 to 50 years in prison. But attorneys for Hudson appealed, claiming the judge had, quote, pierced the veil of judicial impartiality. In other words, the judge appeared to be siding with the little girl. The appeals court agreed and overturned the verdict earlier this week. Can you see why the Court of Appeals might make that decision, though, because of the weight it may have put on?
Sure, I understand what they said, so I understand their reasoning and so forth, and so that's part of the, we'll take a look at, is that, does the reasoning make sense, and is that something we have a likelihood to win on appeal, or is it something we should just accept and try and send it back and maybe retry it, or see where it goes from there?
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker says his office would talk to the victim's family.
We've got to decide what we want to do with the case. Just, even if the family wants to proceed or doesn't want to proceed, it's still kind of our call in terms of whether we're going to do that or not, and that's not solely based on the victim's wishes.
And if it does go back to trial, it would likely require the victim to take the stand again, since her testimony was the only direct evidence. The thought of having to put that girl through more testimony.
Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible to put any victim through any testimony. Obviously a child victim is some of the most, heart-wrenching very often that you do hear. It's like a scab. The scab you think is set, but then it picks away and you got to come back and it just reopens old wounds for those victims.
Hudson remains in prison while prosecutors decide whether to appeal to the state Supreme Court. If they retry the case, he would be returned to the Kent County Jail with the possibility of being released on bond.